springs, the old ones had to be removed. And here, in a single communal grave, a pile of treasure was found. 779 statues of stone and 17,000 of bronze, not to mention the wooden ones that had not withstood the onslaught of time. Kings, queens, priests, dignitaries, standing, sitting or kneeling, in black or rose granite, in alabaster or marble, all thrown in pell-mell, and among them the sublime statue of the great builder Thutmosis III gives us an idea of the prodigious opulence of Karnak.
Our journey to the heart of the night will now take us under the stars.